I'm DeAnn Chase, founder of Chase Law Group. Today I'm going to be talking about what a buy-sell agreement is and why it matters for a family-owned business. Because a family-owned business, by definition, you want to keep in the family, right? So the buy-sell agreement talks about what happens when family members are working together in a family-owned business. What happens if somebody dies, gets a divorce, or just otherwise the family doesn't want them in the business anymore for whatever reason. And so it's really important to draft into a buy-sell agreement, call it a partnership agreement, a succession agreement, that talks about what happens, for example, if someone gets a divorce, right? So you want to know that if someone gets a divorce, that you're not going to end up in business with, your ex-son-in-law, for example. So the buy-sell agreement is important because the document says what happens. Maybe it'll say the family will buy out that interest, or maybe they'll buy out the interest over time, or what have you. And then when that agreement's signed, everyone's spouses sign what's called a consent of spouse, where they agree to be bound by the terms of the agreement. So working with family-owned businesses, as I have for so many years, there are unique dynamic relationships amongst family members, and you really need to be working with a lawyer that understands the dynamics of family, and also ways that you can draft key terms into the buy-sell agreement that will keep the business in the family. So if you'd like to talk more, or maybe bring together a group of family members to talk to me, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to talk.